So hi guys, today we are going to speak about, a lot of people have the same issue, not only in India, you can say in US, Philippines, everybody has the same problem. The problem is overtrading. So today, like the basic thing, I will just teach you on that. What is overtrading? So first we will learn how to do overtrading, and once you learn how to do overtrading, so that means it will be easy for you to do a normal trading. So the human tendency. So I'll just teach you the human tendency, what happens in overtrading. So the first we will learn how to do overtrading. How does the overtrading happen? The problem is Indian market, when it opens at 9:15, right? So the person, what he does is, and like in the morning, whenever the candle opens exactly at 9:15.01 second, if it's a green candle, he'll buy a C. Suddenly it will move to P. Then yes, when it comes to red candle, he'll buy a P. Then he will just go on moving up. Like green candle C, red candle P. Like that, he'll go on trading. Because he wants to just get something out of it, or maybe that's the addiction of the market. That is the first point. So the time will come, like when this overtrading will be stopped. If you are going on trading on red candle, green candle, or maybe somebody is telling that ye le, wo le, so maybe that. At that time, what happens is like, suddenly the time will come that your capital is gone. At that time only you can just stop your overtrading. That's the first thing to watch out. The second thing is like, the second part is a very good part for overtrading. How to do overtrading? What happens is like, morning when the candle opens, if it's a green candle, so you are taking a trade, you are in profit. Then maybe after some time, red candle, you are taking a trade, P, you are in profit. So what do you think that it's a good day for you? Maybe it's a lucky day for you. Right? So what happens? You'll go on trading. Every trade is like till maybe in the morning 9:15 to maybe around 3 o'clock. You are in profit. So that overconfidence will come. Because for the whole day you made a profit. The best part is exactly when you take a trade at 3:20. What happens is like, that you are taking a C right now. It will go up suddenly. Let just go up like that. Ending of the game. It's totally, that what happens at 3:20. So morning full profit. One candle will come exactly at 3:20 or 3:29. It will wipe out all your capital. Okay, so this is one of the part of overtrading. So how to get rid of overtrading? The reason is very simple. For the beginners, I'm telling, what happens is like, firstly, that don't believe in anyone. And if you really want to get into that trading in a profit, like in a perfect scenario, logic is very simple. Just avoid trading, like from 9:15 to around 10:15. Okay, because the good trader will start his trading exactly at 10:15 to 12:30. He will not wait for that hero which comes at 3 o'clock, or he will not wait for that excitement of the market, like as in what happens like if you got some news that something big, like bad news is there in the market, and exactly 9:15 you enter the trade, you're gone. So never go on the news base and all. The perfect trading style, if you really want to get a profit in the market, start at 10:15. Close it at 12:30. Don't wait what happened, because 10:15 to 12:30 exactly according to my logic. What happens is like your theta, beta, gamma, the decay and all will be very less. So better 10:15 to 12:30 is a perfect trade. And the logic is, a lot of people have a habit of, if I'm just putting a SL of 30 points, then my target should be of 30 points. So never believe in that. Simple basic thing. If the wick is below 15, 14, that is right now the running wick is at 11. So don't wait for the big ones. If you're confident in your trade, and if you're getting that 10 to 15 point exit, if the wick is above 15, then you can take a risk of like 30 point. Okay. So the wick is low, just take that 15, 20 point exit, or else one trade a day. Okay. One trade a day, and your job in the market is you have 6 hours to go. So in that 6 hour, better take a trade of like, one trade, two trade, up to your capacity. If your capacity is good. So I'm not telling you to take multiple trade. One trade a day. That's all. One trade a day. With minimal, minimal 10 point, 15 point. If you're getting in Bank Nifty, that's good. If in Nifty 5 to 10 point, exit the market and don't wait for the big one and close your demat account and sleep. Then only the chances of your overtrading will be into a normal trading. And there is nothing like any psychology in the market. Nothing, nobody in the world can change your psychology. Remember my words. The logic is very simple, that how much you want from the market. If you are doing a job, okay, if you are doing a job, so obviously the company is paying some money for you, right? Maybe a day salary, like payday for you. So if your payday is around 2,000 rupees per day, your capacity is only 2,000 per day. You're not capable of taking 5,000 per trade in a day. If you're doing a job and you're getting a salary per day, maybe around 5,000 or 10,000, that is a capacity you earned after 10 years. So that is your capacity in the market, that the company is paying you 2,000. So in trading also, your value is only 2,000. You can't exceed about that. And once in a blue moon day, maybe the chances of that market will go up. You'll get excited on that. So these are that like emotions. A lot of people the emotion. Market doesn't have any emotion, because if she or he like if you're losing your capital, nobody will come to your place and ask you why did you lose. So there's no emotion all in the market. Simple basic thing. Your job is like 6 hours in a day. Okay, in the market, just take that 15 to 20 points and leave, and see around maybe around maybe you can say 6 months down the line. Okay, if you're going in a compounding way, that means you're making some profit in 2-3 months or 4 months. After that, you're increasing your lot size to the second one. That's called compounding. So if you're compounding, then yes, definitely maybe in the 1 year, you can see that the magic happening. So overtrading, a lot of people think that there is a psychology, like if I go to the doctor will tell me. So there is no doctor over here in trading and all. It's very simple, basic thing. Every day, if you're getting some simple, like 40-30 points, that is your capacity, and just increase your lot size. Okay, lot size is a game. Point is not a game. Once in a blue moon day, if you're getting 100 points, leave it. But increase your lot size after every 6 months. If you're taking a one lot as a beginner, okay, as a beginner, if you're taking a one lot, as well as the experienced people who is trading right now, you know that what is the trading about, right? So in intraday, the game is very simple. Just go with your minimal point, and once you are getting profit, once your account is in a greenery mode, never ever enter the trade. As well as for the people who are just started trading and all the basics and all. So I'll just make another video for that. So better just understand the logic. Over trading, there is no emotion, there is no psychology in the world to tell you that. It's simple logic. The dog tails will never be straight. The dog tail will never be straight. You can just see that. So that is a game of a trader. So better logic is very simple. That over trading, everything is inbuilt. Okay, it's an inbuilt chip in the brain of every person, because the over trading comes only because of a greed. Because if you want to pay some EMI, so you think that I'm going good. I'm just in 15 days, I'm in a profitable mode, and on the 16th day, when you just go on for trading because you need something money from the market, at that time only you'll make a loss. So remember, guys, you can't run your home using trading as an EMI and all. So don't think that you're just borrowing some money from somebody and you're just trading and you just fulfill that amount. It's impossible. Trading is just a discipline. Just follow the discipline. What I'm telling you right now is a personal experience. What I'm telling you telling you guys, because a lot of people are asking me, I'm in a profit in the morning, uske baad loss hota hai. That is a simple logic, because you are greedy. You are a very good trader, but the greed is a major problem in over trading. So better leave the greed aside and just trade with that simple logic. Your job is to take 30 points a day. If you are good in that, your job. So better, always I will just recommend you. So please avoid trading and stay away, because trading is not made for you. The one is just go on, like what happens if you are making a loss, people ask for a recovery. In the market, there is nothing called recovery, okay? So in the market, there is nothing called recovery. Just be clear, huh? People come, like in my live chat, sir, मेरे को recovery करके दो. There is nothing called recovery in the market. ऐसा कोई word ही नहीं है. Simple, basic, 30 point ले और निकलो. और जिंदगी भर over trading करो और रोते रहो. There is no solution for over trading in the market. And there are a lot of videos and all for psychology and all. कोई psychology नहीं है. ठीक है, simple basic thing, calculate how much you are earning per day is your trading capacity per day. That's all. If it just goes beyond that, then the game is over. That's all. So that's all for the days, guys. So yeah, meet you up the next video. Just let me know. A lot of people asking about over trading. That's the reason I just made this video. That's all, guys. Bye, guys.